Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a refreshing tasty dish, chilled okra with spicy garlic dressing. It's incredibly simple to make, so let's jump right in. To begin, let's blanch our fresh okra in boiling water for about 5 minutes. Once they are perfectly tender, give them a quick cool down and arrange them beautifully on a serving plate. In a mixing bowl, we're going to create the star of the show, our spicy garlic dressing. Just combine some minced garlic with zesty fresh chili paste, a dash of light soy sauce, a hint of rice vinegar, a pinch of salt, and a touch of white sugar. Give it a good stir until all those flavors become best friends. Now, generously drizzle this mouth-watering sauce over your okra. The moment of truth is here. And there you have it, our delightful chilled okra with spicy garlic dressing. It's not just a feast for your taste buds, it's a breeze to prepare. I can't wait for you to try this recipe and share your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.